In this video, we will look at some of the best handheld gimbals for smartphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Insta360 Flow. In today's fast-paced world, capturing life's best moments on your smartphone has become a daily routine. However, shaky footage and unstable shots can often ruin the perfect moment. Enter the Insta360 Flow Gimbal Stabilizer, a game-changer for smartphone videography. The Insta360 Flow Gimbal Stabilizer is designed to work seamlessly with both Android and iOS smartphones. One of the standout features of the Insta360 Flow is its AI-powered tracking system, DeepTrack 3.0. This advanced technology allows you to effortlessly keep your subjects in frame and in focus with remarkable accuracy. With features like person re-identification, zoom tracking, slow-motion tracking, and more, you can capture dynamic shots like never before. Say goodbye to shaky, jittery footage. The Flow's 3-axis gimbal stabilization effectively cancels out unwanted shakes, providing you with ultra-smooth video footage from dawn till dusk. Whether you're shooting a sunrise or a sunset, your videos will look professional and steady. The Insta360 Flow is not just a stabilizer, it's a versatile tool that simplifies your on-the-go videography. It comes with a built-in selfie stick, tripod, and power bank, ensuring you have everything you need to create stunning content. Easily adjust angles, set up stationary shots, or even charge your smartphone while shooting. No more fumbling with complicated setups. The Insta360 Flow boasts a one-step rapid deployment feature. Number 2. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. In the ever-evolving world of smartphone videography, having a reliable stabilizer can make all the difference. DJI, a renowned name in the drone and camera industry, brings you the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer. With the upgraded ActiveTrack 6.0 technology, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 excels in tracking moving subjects. Whether it's your energetic kids, playful pets, or even yourself, this gimbal sticks to your subject like glue. No more missed moments. Become the star of your own film without needing assistance. Shaky footage can ruin the most beautiful scenes, but the DJI OM6 is here to save the day. This smartphone gimbal offers 3-axis stabilization, ensuring your videos are incredibly steady, even when you're on the move. Say goodbye to jitters and hello to buttery smooth videos. Time is of the essence when capturing life's moments. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 powers on as soon as you unfold it, making it ready for action in seconds. Attach your phone, and you're good to go. Whether it's a breathtaking sunset or your child's heartwarming smile, you won't miss a beat. Portability is key for any smartphone stabilizer, and the OM6 nails it. Weighing just 309 g and featuring a foldable design, it's incredibly easy to carry anywhere. Number 3. Zhiyun Smooth Q3. In the world of smartphone videography, stability is key to capturing stunning footage. The Zhiyun Smooth Q3 combo, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, is here to revolutionize your smartphone filmmaking experience. With features like a 180 degrees fill light, smart stabilization modes, lightweight design, and an intuitive app, the Zhiyun Smooth Q3 is the perfect companion for vloggers and content creators seeking to take their videos to the next level. One standout feature of the Zhiyun Smooth Q3 is its innovative 180 degrees fill light with 3-level adjustment. This touch-sensitive fill light can be easily flipped back and forth to provide the perfect lighting for your shots. Whether you're shooting in low-light conditions or creating a cinematic atmosphere, this fill light has got you covered. It's a game-changer for capturing radiant, well-lit videos anywhere, anytime. Say goodbye to shaky, amateur-looking footage. The Zhiyun Smooth Q3 boasts a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer that offers multiple modes, including pan-following, locking, full follow, and phone go. This advanced stabilization system ensures your videos remain buttery smooth, even when you're on the move. Your audience will be captivated by the professional quality shots you can achieve with this gimbal. The Zhiyun Smooth Q3 takes convenience to the next level with Smart Follow 3.0 and gesture control. With a single tap on the app, you can activate Smart Follow 3.0, keeping you in the spotlight no matter where you go. Plus, the gesture control feature allows you to have complete control over your shots with just a single hand movement. Explore various panorama modes and elevate your storytelling with ease. Number 4. DJI Osmo Mobile SE. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE is a game-changing 3-axis gimbal designed to take your smartphone videography to new heights. With its intelligent features, portability, and compatibility with both Android and iPhone devices, it's a must-have tool for vloggers, content creators, and anyone looking to capture smooth, professional quality footage. One of the standout features of the DJI Osmo Mobile SE is its portability. This compact gimbal is designed for adventurers on the go. It's not only foldable for easy storage but also features a magnetic clamp that allows you to snap your smartphone in and out effortlessly. This means you can capture those spontaneous moments with ease. Ensuring you never miss a shot, ActiveTrack 6.0 is DJI's upgraded tracking technology, and it's a game changer. The Osmo Mobile SE can stick to moving subjects like glue, whether it's your energetic kids, playful pets, or even yourself. You can become the star of your own film without needing assistance. This feature ensures your subjects are always in focus, creating professional-looking videos effortlessly. Editing your footage is just as important as capturing it, and the DJI Osmo Mobile SE makes the editing process a breeze. DJI Memo's shot guides provide shot-by-shot assistance, helping you create compelling videos. Additionally, the gimbal offers a multitude of templates in Lightcut, allowing you to go beyond simple clip cutting and create inspiring edits that impress your audience. Shaky footage is a thing of the past with the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. Its 3-axis stabilization system compensates in real time, ensuring your footage remains incredibly smooth. This next-gen control algorithm guarantees that every shot you take is of the highest quality. Whether you're recording action-packed adventures or serene landscapes, the Osmo Mobile SE caters to various shooting styles. Number 5. Zhiyun Crane M2S. The Zhiyun Crane M2S camera gimbal stabilizer is here to revolutionize the way you capture videos with your lightweight mirrorless cameras, action cameras, and even smartphones. With its small size, powerful performance, intuitive design, and innovative features, the Crane M2S is the go-to choice for run-and-gun filmmakers and content creators seeking stability and versatility. Despite its compact size, the Crane M2S is a powerhouse of stability. Weighing in at a mere 549 g, it's as portable as a phone gimbal but robust enough to support a variety of cameras. Whether you're using a mirrorless camera or an action cam, this gimbal can handle the job with ease. The combination of stronger motors and extended axes ensures that your footage remains steady even in dynamic shooting situations. The Crane M2S boasts an ergonomic design that feels just right in your hand. Filmmaking can be physically demanding, but this gimbal's thoughtful design ensures a comfortable user experience. Additionally, the built-in 0.66-inch display screen keeps you well informed about your camera and gimbal status and parameters, giving you complete control over your shots. Innovative lumen amplifier technology is integrated into the Crane M2S's fill light, providing an impressive 1000 lumens of brightness from a compact 2.8 square centimeters light source.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.